Alright, welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It's your host with the most, Panda One here, Mr. Shubout. That's what I'm talking about. So this one right here, people, is about some viral sensations out of Jamaica. I don't know if you remember, but the Gully Bop was our biggest viral sensation. I would say he went very big, and it created opportunities for him, which he continues to capitalize on to this day. You know what I'm saying? When I talk about from nothing to something, then. Alright, so, boom, we have MACKEREL, right? MACKEREL said, "Take away people, man." She even come out with a song. And a lot of people don't know, but there are so many opportunities that come along with this viral fame. I'm going to explain to you in a minute why SouFLoTV, I gotta say, big up MACKEREL in the which part of there. And now we have Candy. And for Candy, me I gotta say, can I get a wow? Listen, the wow thing just take on and take off, you know. And I feel like another one gone through the gate. And what I'm looking forward to is visa, fly out, and make some money. You understand? And come fix up your life and them thing there. Listen to me. We all of us won't be able to make it through the same channels. You know what I'm saying? Not everybody is going to be privileged enough to go to an institution, a college, a university, get a degree, come out, get a good paying job, get your foot wet in a career field and grow or work your way up. Not all of us are going to be lucky as entrepreneurs where we're going to open a store or do something like that, even though this is a form of entrepreneurship, using their God-given talent. So people are saying, take people, man, and God-given talent. Well, the way she said it is, and the jokes that she give along with it is, she's a walking comedian, and it has done a lot for her. Matter of fact, a lot of people that's been hating on MACKEREL, when the sister MACKEREL get visa and gone left for now. MACKEREL just come back from England the other day. I wish the same thing for Candy. Here's my thing though. I realize how my Jamaican people are. Like, we like to, we have this thing, this mindset, majority of us anyways, has this mindset that we must pull one down in order to make another one rise. I don't support that, none at all. So, shout out to Candy, but when me see the little interview the other day on ER, where Candy I say, was it ER? One of them show there, where Candy I say, she rub out MACKEREL and she flash her out her tin and she done MACKEREL career. The time Candy was there doing that interview, you know, MACKEREL did overseas, you know. MACKEREL was in England, you know. So you can imagine now you get a chance to fly out off of being a viral sensation. And people are actually booking you and paying you to come. Now, a lot of people are saying, turning their nose up at these opportunities. But when you come from where some of these people come from, you see, and you see how life rough for them and things they've been through. Like, for instance, Candy talked about some of the things she's been through. Prostitution. You know, me would have rather see her out the road and say, wow, can I get a wow? And people are say, wow. Rather than for know some sister run a back road and sell her body. You know what I'm saying? And risking her life. And risking her health. And these kind of things. The only thing I don't like is we don't have to pit one against the other. I want to tell Candy something and I want to tell MACKEREL something. Take it from SouFLoTV. Our strength is in our unity. And I know it's hard sometimes for us to unite. I don't know if this is a publicity stunt on their part still, because I have not personally spoken to MACKEREL or personally spoken to Candy about their relations with each other. But we know, said drama sell. I've had people contact me already, and I'm talking about musicians, contact me already to push drama, to fabricate drama. Yes, SouFLo, make up this for, you know, and sell it and make it. And I'm saying, no, I can't do it because it's a fabricated beef. And if you think that drama sells, wait till you see what unity can do. Drama might get you a little bit of light now, but unity can get you that spotlight for years and years to come. And you can actually really spin a whole career out of it. So I would say to MACKEREL and to Candy, MACKEREL, do your tech people man thing. Candy, do your wow thing. But, hear me. The sweetest joy would come when MACKEREL and Candy can actually link up and be booked as a package. Now, me know so enough people I say, SouFlo, tap your foolishness. Me wouldn't book them people and them kind of thing. That's you, man. That's you. See, I've never been the type of person to look down on people. I've always been the kind of person that feels like I can get on anyone's level. You understand? So me now have no level then. If you're way up there, so I can get way up there with you. If you're way down in the gutters, I can get way down in the gutters with you. Right? What would Jesus do? I could put it like that, don't it? Them say Jesus walk among the thieves, you know, and the bad man them out the road and them thing there, you know. So did Bob Marley, you know, and them kind of thing there. And although them preach peace and love and unity and them thing there, it was the people that needed it the most that they had to go to make sure that they heard the message. For instance, if you're going to preach about unity and peace and love, what good is preaching that kind of a message to people that are already unified and living peacefully and lovingly? No use. You understand? So if you're going to preach about peace and love and unity and say unity is in our strength, Candy, unity is in our strength, Mackerel, wait till the two of you link up and promoters start booking off a fly out go Canada, England, them place there, you collect it in a pounds and US dollars together. And then come back home together. Come spend it together. You know me, I said take care of your family and them thing there. And build your celebrityship and all these things out of that. What good is it preaching that kind of a message to people who don't need it? You have to go which part the people are not unified and tell them say unity is in our strength. And I know it's a hard message to sell, especially amongst our people, but that's the message that I'm coming with today. Y'all know how I do over here on SouFLoTV, man. Me not in the whole dung thing, you know. Life too short. Me not in the take a side thing and chat bad about people thing. And now I will make fun of people. I'll give it that. And people have made fun of me as well. And I'll give it that. There's a difference between making fun of and then being outright hateful and disrespectful. The hateful and disrespectful thing, I don't join it. And that too, a lot of our people have confused. People will say things to you that are very disrespectful, you see? And then because you responded according to how their comment was, then they'll say something like, oh, you shouldn't up on social media because people are going to say whatever them want to say. Well, if you're going to be disrespectful, I have the right to be disrespectful too, right? I can take a joke. People have made many jokes about me, and I've taken the joke. I just add some smiley face and laugh, and I expect that Candy and Mackerel are doing the same. The amount of joke where Mackerel must hear about her eye them and how she look like roach when time you spray it with bacon and the roach and how she dance waggle on the floor and she can't dance. And then Candy is gonna come now and she gonna hear how she look like. You know, sure says she at 28. Yes, people them say Candy is 28 years old, you know. I mean, honestly speaking, it's a rough. I think me and my wife did I say, boy, it's the roughest 28 I've ever seen. But a so hard life we have you. She need probably like a tenderness and care, you know, and take care of herself, and that's what we want to see. We want to see her get to the place in life where she get the help that she needs and come take care of herself, and then we look back 2-3 years from now and we say, wow, like Candy say, wow. Yeah, we want to really look at her 2-3 years from now and say, wow, now she's well taken care of. Now she'll go to bed at night time and a rest. Now she's eating properly and healthy. She not batter on the road and her head no good and all these kind of things. So this the kind of thing we want to see for our people. You know what I'm saying? So Candy, can I get a wow? And I'm going to say what? Wow. And Mackerel, go and do your thing and take people, man. Me know so Candy I go hear how much her mouth ugly and nasty and she needs to contact a dentist and all these other things. All these things will come in time. I'm telling my people, man, don't beat down your people. The whole of we don't come from good family. The whole of we don't have no 100% backative. The whole of we, some of we just batter all over the place until we find our way. And I kind of see like that is what's been happening with Candy. Now, before I end this video, let me say this. Candy just released a song/video with Ganguly. And I like the song, right? The song, of course, is after her wow. I hope she can trademark wow. I hope she can get some kind of money out of this. And I also hope that people don't take advantage of her and use her out, try to use her to make their star shine brighter kind of thing. You know what I'm saying? Ganguly, do good by her. That's how I say. We're watching. Alright? We are watching. Candy, big up yourself. Mackerel, anywhere there, big up yourself. Ganguly, big up yourself. Alright? That's SouFLoTV. I'm out. Peace.